Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to learn, understand and solve the exercise of the lesson sentence fragments. Some groups of words look like sentences but they are not. They are fragments. For example, with lightning and thundering all around, both a sentence and a fragment, are groups of words that begin with a capital letter and conclude with an end mark. A fragment is grammatically incomplete, whereas a sentence has a complete thought. A sentence contains a subject, finite verb pair, but one or both of these elements is missing in a fragment. For example, Nikki is busy tonight. Fragment, working on her school project. In this example, there is no subject and the verb working is a non-finite verb. In this example, this fragment can be corrected by attaching it to the preceding sentence and replacing the full stop with a comma. So, the correct sentence is Nikki is busy tonight working on her school project. Complete thought. A fragment can be corrected by adding a subject or an action word or a helping verb. For example, proudly showing her marks to us. This can be corrected in the following manner. Proudly she was showing her marks to us. Both a sentence and a fragment. A group of words that begin with a capital letter and conclude with an end mark. Exercise. Join the fragments with the sentence. Rewrite each new sentence by separating the two parts with a comma. Fragment, with lightning and thundering all around. Sentence, the night was stormy. Answer, with lightning and thunder all around, the night was stormy. Fragments, creating confusion for their friends. Sentence, he and she are always fighting. Answer, creating confusion for their friends. He and she are always fighting. Leaving vehicles behind screeching. Fragment. Sentence, the motorbike abruptly stopped. Answer, leaving vehicles behind screeching, the motorbike abruptly stopped. Keep remember that a fragment is an incomplete sentence if a sentence does not have a subject or a verb or both. It is a fragment. Next exercise, identify the sentences and the fragments from the following. Number 1, running far away from the tiger. Subject and finite verb are missing, so this is a fragment, not a sentence. Number 2, this was impossible. This subject was finite verb, so this is a sentence, not a fragment. They are in front of the big brown gate. Fragment. Number 4, the tiger will eat us up. The tiger subject will eat finite verb, so this is a sentence, not a fragment. Number 5, the beast made its first move. The beast subject made finite verb, so this is a sentence, not a fragment. Number 6, help. My mind screamed. My mind subject. Screamed finite verb, so this is also a sentence. Number 7, 1, 2, 3 towards us. Fragment. Number 8. Suddenly it turned and disappeared. Its subject turned and disappeared. Finite verb. So this is also a sentence. Next exercise. Correct these fragments by adding a subject and a helping verb before the participles. Rewrite. Number 1. Proudly showing her marks to us. Answer. Proudly she was showing her marks to us. Subject she. Helping verb was. Again, playing and jumping all day. Answer. They were playing and jumping all day. Subject they. Helping verb were. Number 3. Distributing his notes tomorrow. Answer. He will be distributing his notes tomorrow. Subject he. Helping verb will be. Number 4. Washing and cleaning the house. Answer. My mother is washing and cleaning the house. Subject my mother. Helping verb is. Next exercise. Turn each fragment into a sentence by adding a subject and a verb. Number 1. On their phones all the time. Answer. Some people speak on their phone all the time. Subject some people. Verb speak. Second. A difficult case indeed. Answer. It was a difficult case indeed. Subject it. Verb was. Number 3. Perhaps in the loft. Answer. Perhaps the suitcase was kept in the loft. Subject the suitcase. Verb was kept. Number 4. Nothing but pin drop silence. Answer. The monk maintained nothing but pin drop silence. Subject the monks. Verb maintain. I hope you must have understood. Allah Hafiz.